Today's the video requested from my sister. Request me. Sammy fails to steal my sister's car and gets arrested/grounded. Anyways, enjoy the video.
So great. I can't believe you ground me for failed cooking club. I wish I can ground him. What should I do? I have no idea. I'm going to steal Doink's car. Ha 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 ha. But anyways, I'm going to change my clothes. Wow, that is very nice, my clothes. But anyways, I'm going to buy some GTA 6. Ha 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 ha. Wow, this car looks so amazing. Now, time to steal her car.
Oh no, he stole my car. He's going to buy some GTA 6 on GameStop.
Someone who stole your car. Wait a minute, Sammy stole your car and going to buy GameStop? That's it, I'm calling the police.
Wow, this car is very nice. Now time to buy GTA 6 on GameStop. Oh no, my car got explode on the GameStop.
Sammy, you are under arrest for stealing Boeing 7378 Aviation's car. Now get in the police car right now. This is for your cell. There will be no movies, no TV, no video games, no food, no toilet, but there are nappies to your right. You will wear your nappies for your duration in jail. Your parents that want to see you.
Hi Mom, Dad, Hank, Luna and Carla. Can you bail out of me, please?
Bail you out of jail? No, you stealing Boeing's car. You know her car gets blown up. No, you'd pay $20,000 car. Now thanks to you.
But Mom, Dad, Hank, Luna and Carla, I am very sorry.
Sorry doesn't to work it. You will be grounded for buying her car.
But Mom, Dad, Hank, Luna and Carla.
No buts. You will be eating nothing but lumpy potatoes for every breakfast, lunch, snack and dinner from now on.
Now stay in your jail cell until gets bail out of jail.
And stay there.
Sorry Mom, Dad, Hank, Luna and Carla, you have done to me.
Thank you for watching this video.